What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today is burger number 2 of the month of July. I'm doing burgers all month, so we are going to knock out a chorizo burger today. It's going to be delicious. We got some good chorizo. Ooh, spicy pork chorizo. That's what we do. Love it. So let's get going. We're going to start on some veggies. As when I say veggies, just jalapeno and onion. Something simple, nice and spicy. That's how I like it. Go. Alright, so we got some oil right here. We're going to throw that down first. We're going to get a nice fry on these jalapenos and onions. Alright. There we go. Get that stuff frying up nicely. I'll break that up. So I just want to get a nice char on these veggies. I love me some onion. Break them up a little bit. Got some nice chunks of the jalapenos. Alright, let's let this stuff fry up. And let's make some patties. Alright, so we got 1 pound of 80/20 ground beef right here. I'm only making a couple burgers, so I'm only going to use half a pound of this meat. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take that, just plop it right in here. A little bit more. Alright, that's about it. Yeah, a little bit more. About half. Alright. So that's good. Now, we got the chorizo. Like I said, this is spicy pork chorizo. And this is a, I'll have to check the package. I think this is a 12-ounce stick. So I'm going to use half of that. I'll put that in the description, how much it actually is. We're going to use about half of that. Just a smidge under, it looks like. Alright, and we're just going to squeeze that in there with the beef. Boom. Alright, and then we're going to mix it all up. Alright, right like that. We're just mixing it all together. I want to get those flavors all over that beef. Alright, now we got a patty right here. Kind of small. That's how I want to do these. Right like so. Alright, we're getting a nice sear on those. We're going to let those keep going for a hot second. Alright, so I did add like a little bit more of the chorizo, so I used about 2/3 of that stick. For this, I'm going to throw a little adobo on there. Love this stuff. Get a nice healthy sprinkling. Get that turned up. Oh yeah. Alright, now, so I made these patties a little thicker than I wanted, so I'm gonna kind of break it up a little bit more so I can get 4 patties, because I want to do thinner smashes on them. So I'm going to work on that, let these finish cooking, then it's time to get in. We got 1, 2, 3, and a little baby one. Alright, so let's check on these. This is what I'm talking about right there. Smells amazing. Now I left the parchment paper on this one because when you smash them like that with the parchment paper, they start to suck back together. I want to kind of keep it a little big. See, like the little baby one is real small now. So yeah, we're going to throw this bun on. Got a nice Kaiser bun right here. Delicious. Got some oil down there. I'm not even going to jump into doing the old mayo on it. I just want to get this thing cooking because it smells amazing out here. You know what? I'm going to move you over a little bit. Alright, and then to top it off, we got some jalapeno Chihuahua cheese. That stuff looks really good. I love Chihuahua cheese, and that's going to make it way better. Alright, my veggies are done. I'm just going to push those up to the corner up here. Let's give these things a flip. Alright, so we got these things flipped. Man, they look really good. That crust, that is what I like. Get some cheese on there. Ooh, man, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this right now. So we got the bun done. It's over here. That's cooked up nice and good. I think our patties are done. Let's build. Let's build. These look really good. Smell amazing. Let's go. Alright, we're going to start off with some veggies on the bottom. Now, these are the easiest condiments right here, and they're amazing on burgers. Just onions and jalapenos. I mean, you can add all the ketchup and lettuce and all that stuff, but this is plenty good if you ask me. So we got one patty. Ooh, that is hot. We're going to throw some more veggies on here. I want these jalapenos. Look at all them bad boys. Ooh, let's do it. Let's go with this one right here. Don't you go falling on me. There it is. Top it off with a little onion. These are all the veggies. Get on here. Too close to the edge. Boom. Put that on there. Ooh. That is going to be amazing. Look at that cooked chorizo in there. Ooh. All right, let's dive into this. This looks so good. Now, this was my wife's idea. She's pregnant right now, so she's been all over my videos, giving me ideas, just finding great recipes. The last burger one was her idea as well. Man, I'm really, really, really digging this right now. This looks so good. Love me some grilled onions. Look at that. Ooh, it's spicy too. Really good. That cheese is amazing. Got a nice crunch on those veggies. Love that. I don't know where the spice is coming from, either the jalapenos, the chorizo, or the cheese. Just all around good. I really like that spice. That's really, really good. Well, I appreciate you guys coming along. Don't forget, throw me some ideas. I've been getting ideas, comments and emails about other burgers I could do. Now, the one for the Elvis burger, I don't know if that's going to work out well. I don't know. Banana, peanut butter, and bacon. I don't know how I'm going to go about doing that. But keep them coming. Love the ideas. I appreciate all you guys that watch the videos. I just passed 1 million views today. And I think earlier this week or right after I posted my last video, I passed 10,000 subscribers. So I appreciate that a ton. Really helps out. And yeah, thanks. Appreciate it. See you on the next one.